AI is changing how we work. It's supercharging our creativity, boosting our efficiency, and now it's doing things for us. As AI moves into the agentic era, we've built a trusted partner to help you work smarter. Meet the next generation of Autodesk Assistant, powered by Autodesk AI. At Autodesk, we build the tools that help the world design and make anything. Assistant lives where you already work. It understands your context, helps solve problems faster, and brings the power of AI into the flow of your project. Not because it looks impressive, because it assists on getting real work done. Need clarity? Assistant surfaces the insight before you even ask. Facing a deadline? Assistant clears the noise so you can focus on the priorities. Looking to reduce risk or waste? Assistant helps you find a better path. This isn't automation for its own sake. This is intelligence that works with you, learns from you, and gets out of your way when you're in flow. So engineers can make smarter products. Contractors can minimize risk in real time, and artists can create without friction to deliver faster. Together, we're changing what's possible and what's expected. In the agentic AI era, Autodesk Assistant will help you design and make anything.